Hey John, how can I take better photos with my drone? Can you explain me that, please?
Okay, let's go.
What if they ain't never find me?
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all right. And before starting, I want to wish you a very nice year. And I had a lot of work during Christmas time. That's why I haven't posted any videos since December, but I want to fix this. I don't know what's your resolution for this year, but you know what, tell me your resolution in the comment section below. I want to know. I want to know them. My resolution, and my only one resolution for my YouTube channel, I want to post at least one video a week, and I have a lot of work as a DJ, so I need to manage all of this, and I hope I will do it. Let's talk about the tutorial now. I want to make 3 different videos about drone photography. So the first one today, how to take better photos with your drone. Next Wednesday, how I edit that same exact photos. And the following Wednesday, the last one, how to post your photos on Instagram in high quality. Because some of you guys ask me on my Instagram how I post my photos in this quality, so I want to share this with you. Enough talking now, let's go for the tutorial. So what you need to do is shooting in AEB with your drone. This is what is AEB. It's actually a manual version of HDR, and when you press the shutter, the camera will take either 3 or 5 shots at various exposures. However, unlike the HDR option, in AEB, the images are shot in the RAW format and are not combined into a final JPEG. That means you need to take the images into post-processing software like Lightroom and combine them yourself. It's more work, but the end result is so much better than a single RAW. So when you are in your drone, you need to go to the menu tab, photo mode, and choose AEB, and you have the choice to shoot 3 or 5 shots. Personally, I choose to shoot with 5 photos because I think more photos I have with different exposure give me the best result at the end. Choose AEB, 5 shots or 3 shots, then frame your photo as you want. The drone will take 5 or 3 shots in less than 2 seconds. And then after this, you need to go inside Lightroom. When you are in Lightroom, select your 5 shots, then go to Photo, Photo Merge, HDR. Then you're waiting for your computer to combine the 5 shots. Be sure you have this option checked, and then you have the ghost amount. What it does, if I have someone skiing, when Lightroom combine all the shots, you're gonna see the guy like 5 times at different position. Deghosting is making this guy in one, like it is. You just need to try with this, which is working the best, low, medium or high, and then you can merge the image. And when it's done, you're gonna have your shots here. I recommend you to shoot with your shutter at 120. I always shoot like this, and I choose this because, you know, the drone is always, it's not really stable, it's always moving, and when you are in high altitude there is some wind. Don't keep the same setting as your video. Try this and you will see, but generally when I shoot with my drone, when nothing is moving, I shoot in 120. And if something is moving around 300, 500 if something is moving really fast. That's all for today guys, and I see you next Wednesday for the editing tutorial about this photo and the 2 other one I take with the drone for this tutorial. So I see you next week with my friend for the editing session.
See you guys.